All right, so this is what I was trying to accomplish here, okay? Because I have 3 101s and I even have a ZD. But the ZD is not going to go up here with these. And so I just want to be able to have my radios here. They're all hooked up. I have a piece of coax coming down from that one. I'll put a jumper from each one, and all of them can be operated simply by just putting a barrel connector in between the jumper. Where's the jumper? There's it right here. Okay. So now, if you were so brave, you would just put them all on an antenna switch. But what I found is that doesn't work good enough, and you can blow up a radio. So if I had all 3 of these on an antenna switch and decided, I'd share the same antenna, that doesn't always work. I had 2 Kenwood TS830s that suffered from that. So anyway, there's a little bit of room here. There's a little bit of room behind them, not a lot. But, probably enough. I can move them forward a little bit more. And then, I had to figure out what to do over here with all this other stuff, but we'll figure it out. I probably put the computer back over here. I'm not really sure. Because the thing is, that big TV isn't coming back in here. So it's sitting over there. I have this monitor for the 710, but I don't have anywhere to put it. So basically, this can be like the vintage shack, I guess, maybe. And I don't know, maybe the 710 monitor could go over there. I don't know. But normally I sit over here because that stuff's over there. But we're just gonna wing it for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and hook up a radio so I can get on the air here in a minute, because everybody's probably gonna be on soon. So, but this is what I really wanted to do. I might even put this on the Tempo 1 over here. I could put the Tempo 1 over here, and that might look kind of cool. I could even put 101 ZD or something, but they don't match. They're not gray. So I haven't completely decided, but I like my 101s, and I wanted to give them a proper place to sit. So that's what this was all really for. Everything else can be shuffled around. I would actually kind of like to do this down there. Like, I don't want these things here, I'd rather have everything like that without, pieces of wood in between. It just looks cleaner. But in order to hold that kind of weight, I don't know what you would have to use normally. I think a lot of these guys actually really do pretty well with those metal shelf brackets, but, we're not even fully supported in the front. But, like back here we are, so that's why I had to kind of pick and choose where this went. So, I'll put a radio here and here. I'll put a radio here and here. And then maybe, if I scoot this a little further, I could possibly fit one of the amplifiers in between, or something like that. I'm not real sure yet. But I do like having them down here. They probably don't breathe as good, but it's not terrible either. So, I don't know. It's all work in progress. Now I'm tired. So, we will catch you guys later.